does it take to renovate a busy retail store in just 5 days, while also keeping the doors open for customers? Now, imagine doing that hundreds of times across Canada, working with one of the country's fastest-growing pet retailers. For Pet Valu, with over 800 locations, many franchisee-owned, downtime just isn't an option. Every day a store isn't operating at full capacity means lost sales. And being a franchise with hundreds of franchisees adds another layer of complexity. As a trusted partner, CBSF has worked with Pet Valu on hundreds of projects for well over a decade. At times, we've taken on complete projects, from design through construction, giving Pet Valu a single point of contact to simplify the process, to reduce costs, and to eliminate the complexity of managing multiple contractors across hundreds of locations. Our one-stop approach delivers everything a store needs, from standard shelving to custom specialty fixtures. And by keeping inventory on hand, we ensure quick turnaround times for every project. Our designers, our prototypers, our merchandisers, they work together to transform Pet Valu stores from basic retail spaces into inviting, interactive shopping environments. Since 2012, we've completed 168 projects for Pet Valu, and that includes 141 installations and 25 merchandising projects, ranging from small updates to complete store builds. The results? New stores built in 2 weeks, renovations completed in 5 days, all while keeping stores open for business. By taking on construction management and delivering complete turnkey solutions, we've helped Pet Valu focus on what matters most, their business and their customers. Because that's our commitment as Canada's best store fixtures, reducing pressure, increasing satisfaction, delivering results. Project after project, store after store, we bring retail strategies to life.